What do you got there, Booger? Oh, look, Emily's dropping all the Frisbees over the fence for us to throw. Ha 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 ha. Hey, easy with the stick, wild man. No, you're not going down the driveway. You're not going out in the street this way either. Don't hit Daddy's car. Come here. You'll cry. No, running down the driveway. Yeah, yeah. Say hi. What are you doing? Where's your doggies? Where's your doggies? No, you can't go to Papa Mike's and Mama Lou's without Mommy. No crossing the street. No. No, no. Don't you tell me no, Booger. You gonna get Mommy? You gonna get me, huh? Yeah. Thanks, asshole. You gonna get me? Yeah? Ah. Ha 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 ha. No, no. No, no. Come here. Yeah, Daddy's motorcycle. Say Harley. Say Harley. Say Harley. Harley. Quiet. Say Harley. I know, Mommy's standing on your stick so you can't get the car or the bike with it. Say Harley. Say, Mom, move your boot. Say Harley. Yay! Go up the step like a big boy. And back down. We can never just go up the step. We always have to turn around and go up and down it a couple times. Yeah? Look at you go. You running, huh? Yay! Come on, let's go see the doggies. 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 Say hi, doggy. You want Mommy to pick up the Frisbee? Okay. Say good catch, doggy. Nope, leave it. You want Mommy to pick up the other Frisbee? Come here. Good catch, puppy. Wyatt! Wyatt, you got a stick? Come on! Where are you going? Uh-oh. Emma Rounder, get out of there. Leave it. Good girls. Mommy's got to dump the rainwater out of that fire pit. Yucky. Say yucky. Nope, no street. Ah ha ha. Your stick is stuck on Mommy's shirt. Don't you me. Sassy little thing. You must get that from your daddy. Yeah. Say da-da. Say da-da. Da-da. Where's the doggies? Where's the doggies? Da-da. You stuck on the bush? More steps. Up, down, up, down. Uh-oh. You trip over the stump? Come on, get back up. Get your stick. Yay! Wyatt. Wyatt, look at Mommy. Hey, come here. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.